what was the process like of, both on the service side and on, if you did anything self-service side, what was the process of developing a plan? I mean, we talked about that a little bit in the last episode, but like you guys developed a plan going forward on how you're going to grow this thing. Can you talk a little bit about that plan?
Yeah, well, part of the rebranding was number one. We created a whole new brand on location, like at that same location. So Lass was instrumental in creating a really great looking website. And it was through his contacts in digital marketing that we were able to get a really nice brand and logo created. I think that was step number one. And then going after the Google reviews, because we were starting from scratch. We completely did away with the previous, we couldn't take advantage of that.
I think another part of that too was that we decided very early on that we wanted to make sure that we looked like a good laundromat, and that the web presence would match the physical location, that it would be clean, because when you're going to a laundromat, you're cleaning stuff. So you want that association. So I think that's one of the things that we decided on pretty quickly that we needed to put some money into. And I think that's paid back too for us.
Yeah, the other part was establishing ourselves, our new brand on social media, and then actively going after new business, like corporate customers.